Okay, let me get to my, I think I had it here. Nope. Okay, simulation. I'll do this in student view. Okay. So right here tells you what to do. Plus I gave you those other directions. All right. So day one, you would play to-do list. Here's your ebook. All right. And here's where you upload. All right. So you can choose any file. I'm just going to choose like this to-do list. It'll probably tell me it's the wrong one. Click save and click save. Okay. Now, if you realize that's not it, all right, you can remove it. All right. You can choose another one. Let's see if it will let us do two. I don't think these allow you to do like you normally could do. All right, yeah. So here's what I would do. If you're trying to attach more than one, you could remove. And here's what I would do. I would go to, let me think, where do I keep my files? And go here. Say I'm doing this one. No. Control Enter. And then do insert. Where's my insert? Right up here. No, where's my file? This thing is in my way. So object, go here, text from file. You could do another one. Simulation one, documents. Go here, to-do list. Okay, I'm doing this real quickly, but you can see, you could straighten this out if you need to. You could bring this over. All right. Okay, then let's say you just save this. You go to the file, save as, put your name, Wilson, day one, to do. Okay. Save, get out of that. Okay, so get out of this. All right, so now let's say I want to go to the file. I can upload this, see if it saves it. Save, and it's saved. All right, so there's ways that you can do it. It's just you have to know how. Good. Then you can go on to the next one, and whatever it says. Okay, upload a response file. So telephone log and messages, same thing. Okay.